we are going to extend the question a little bit. We started with the pharmacy drive through model 1, and we are going to extend the question. In this question, we want customers to leave the queue if there are more than 3 cars in the queue. Okay, so the customers will decide whether they should leave or not when they see the queue. So we need to see the current number in the queue. So we need to know how many cars in the queue. Okay, so we can insert decision module here. So I'm going to erase this connection first. Just click on there and then press click, delete, and then you're going to add this decide module in between. We put this decide module before the process because they are going to make a decision before the process, so we cannot put this decide module after the process. So let's connect these modules. Okay, another connection here. Okay, so when an entity enters, so entity means the customer enters, it's gonna either stay and get the medicine and leave the pharmacy, or they're gonna say the queue is too long, so they are going to leave the system through another dispose module. So we are going to add another dispose module here and connect this to the decide module too. Okay, I'm gonna give a name, leave pharmacy. Maybe I should just a sec. I'm gonna call this leave pharmacy 1. Okay, I'm gonna Control C, copy this, and then I'm gonna double click and give this and leave pharmacy 2. So this is the another exit for the system. And let's see how we would write this. So we are gonna say decide if a number in queue, and queue means number in queue, less than or equal to 3. Okay, if this is the case, then we are gonna the value is gonna be true, so it's gonna get the medicine and leave. Otherwise, it's going to leave the system right away. So we need to go to, since there's an if condition here, we choose the expression, and the value we have to go to the build expression. In the build expression, we have this basic process variables. So there's entity, process, queue, and resource. Right now we are interested in the queue, so we have to click queue, and we are interested in the current number in queue. So we are going to click this, and as you see, you get this NQ, which is number in queue. We want this to be the true value is going to be less than or equal to 3. Whenever it's less than or equal to 3, this is the true value, and it's going to go through the process. We click OK. Otherwise, it's going to leave the pharmacy right away. So that's all to it. We are going to save this by save as. We are going to say save as pharmacy model 2 now, and we want to replace it with okay, let's save it as a model 2 like that. Okay,